Yeah, Batswana out there, you know, I'm one of the people that love greatness. Now, from the bottom of my heart, I love great people. I love people who does wonders, especially when you're talking about Batswana, who are doing it big out there. You know, I just want to take this opportunity to thank this guy who has made a million guys through FX. That person is called SkuDfx. Nigga, wherever you are, I just want to celebrate you and I say big up to you, man. Big up to you. You know, you are one of the people that inspire me a lot. You know, I love to see Batswana doing it big out there. And my prophecy, my prediction that I've done, you know, last year I said within 5 years we're going to see many people making it big, and they're going to be having those $1 million cars and all stuff, and it's happening right now. And I say SkuDfx and the people out there, we are making it big, guys. I say I celebrate you. Big up to you guys, big up to you, man, big up to you. You know, keep up the grind, you know, keep on grinding. We'll see what happens in the future. Botswana, I see great things here. I see great things. It's AB Met here. I say, I'm out.